Welcome to our cozy kitchen.
Today we are making a classic caramelized pork stew.
Cutting the pork into large, bite-sized cubes.
This is a must-have holiday recipe.
Let us prepare the meat.
Washing the meat gently with warm water.
A little salt helps clean it perfectly. Rinsing them until beautifully clean.
Now they are ready for the marinade. Time for our aromatics. Shallots bring a wonderful savory depth.
Garlic makes everything smell amazing.
Adding all those beautiful flavors.
Premium fish sauce is the soul of this dish.
Sugar balances the saltiness perfectly. Touch of savory seasoning. Dark caramel sauce for that stunning holiday color. Mix it well to coat every single piece. Look at that gorgeous color already. We will let this rest to absorb the flavors deeply. Now let us prepare the eggs.
Pouring fresh water to boil our eggs.
Gently adding 6 fresh eggs. Boiling them until perfectly hard cooked. Almost ready to peel. Scooping them out carefully.
An ice bath makes peeling incredibly easy. Time to peel our boiled eggs.
Look how smooth and flawless it is.
Our beautiful eggs are ready.
Let us start the stew. A touch of oil to heat the pot. In goes the marinated pork. Searing the meat locks in all those wonderful flavors. Stirring until the edges become perfectly golden. The caramel is creating a beautiful sticky crust. This is exactly what we want.
Now for the secret ingredient. Fresh coconut water brings a naturally sweet and clear broth.
Make sure the meat is fully submerged.
Such a stunning natural color.
bringing it to a strong boil.
A few drops of lemon juice keep the fat perfectly clear. Skimming the foam ensures a perfectly pure stew.
Look at how clear that broth is.
Now we lower the heat to slowly braise the pork.
Slow cooking makes the meat melt in your mouth. The coconut water is caramelizing beautifully. Time to add our boiled eggs.
Tucking them in so they absorb the sauce. Stirring gently so the eggs do not break. The whole kitchen smells like a festive holiday.
The eggs are taking on that stunning mahogany color.
Fat is becoming perfectly translucent.
The sauce is reducing to a perfect glossy finish. Basting them for extra flavor. Hit like if this savory aroma makes you hungry. Turning off the heat, our stew is ready.
Let us serve this in a traditional clay pot.
Scooping up these tender morsels.
They are so soft, they nearly fall apart. And our perfectly colored eggs.
A beautiful and hearty presentation.
Now for that incredible golden sauce.
Subscribe for more authentic family recipes.
Absolutely breathtaking. A generous garnish of fresh green onions. Adding a fresh pop of color. And some red chili for a tiny bit of heat. Finished with a hint of black pepper.
This classic dish is perfect for family gatherings.
Let us bring this to the table.
Dinner is officially served. Best enjoyed with fluff white rice. Time to dig in. Look at how tender this pork is. That sauce is pure liquid gold. A comforting bowl of tradition. Happy holidays to you and your family.
See you in the next journey.